Okay, so there's this guy who told me that he was a huge fan. He wants me to sign his mobile case. Here's the name, hashtag GS Army. So that guy's literally so sweet. By the time this video is published, boy, if you're watching this video, I just want to let you know that I love you so much. People like you make my channel big. Hi.
You got the love, you got the love, you got the love.
What is up, you guys? It's your boy Guy Skills. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe and join the GS Army. But before we actually get into the video, I just want to clarify this one thing with you guys. I give you actual Guy Skills content on Wednesday and hot and fun content on Sunday, absolutely free. But 68% if you guys are not subscribed. I'm like, what the hell? You guys might be thinking, what if I'm losing the strength? What if I don't have the strength? What if I'm lacking the formation in order to do the pull-up? But no, I'm just going to give you that one proper face palm trick that you need to follow in order to do a proper pull-up in this video. But you know what? I cannot really believe that I'm giving you all these tips. One simple trick, free of cost, but I can do anything for your GS Army. You know, join the GS Army, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. Also follow us on Instagram. You're good to go. So the actual trick, the original trick is, before we get into that trick, if you ask me, who the hell are you to give me all these pull-up hacks? So for those people who are asking these questions, roll the clip. Pull-up is basically a workout that is going to give you the frame that's going to make you look broad enough. It's going to make your shoulders look broad, but the actual thing is that the pull-ups are not focusing on your shoulders. It's actually focusing on your lat muscles, which is like on over this side. So once you like expand your lat muscles, once you like contract and squeeze and expand that lat muscle, it's going to give you this shape, the V shape that you actually strive, that all those fitness models have. So that one simple trick is that all you have to do is just concentrate, focus, and activate this muscle. In order to do that, all you have to do is just find a pull-up bar, go and stand in front of it, just jump and grab that pull-up bar, but do not let yourself fall down immediately. Just go and grab it and gradually let yourself down. So once you grab that pull-up bar, your weight is gonna pull you down, right? But do not let your body weight to pull you down immediately. Just grab the bar and let your weight slowly. So what this thing is gonna do is it's gonna focus and like torture your lat muscle. The entire weight is going to be focused on your lat muscle. So once you do this, the focus, the work, the energy, everything you spend is literally going to your lat muscles. So practice this for a week. Do like 10 counts, 3 sets, like 1. This is counted as 1, and then 2. Jump and grab and let yourself gradually down. So this is counted as 3. So do 10 counts, 3 sets each. I mean, like, you can do alternatively 3 days per week and you're good to go. So this is the actual content. Like, that's it. You're done. So for like, so that's it. Like, simple, literally simple.